Good morning student. Today we will learn symbol of greater than, equal to, less than. So you will remember all these symbols. Greater than, equal to, less than. So first of all, we will count these ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 ice cream. So we will write here 6. Now we will count these ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write 10 in this box. Now students, you will tell me 6 is greater than 10. 6 is less than 10. So yes, 6 is less than 10. So we will mark this symbol in this circle. Now we will read 6 is less than 10. Now we will count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 in this box. So there are 6 ice cream. There are 6 ice cream. So we will mark symbol equal to. Correct? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write 6 in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now students, you will tell me 6 is greater than 4. Yes, 6 is less than 4. 6 is greater than 4. So we will mark this symbol. So students, you will do page number 30 of math book.